Hello, Gnomes team, parents and students. It's Mr. Hutchinson here with a kind of early week update for social studies class, a little bit about what we've been doing and what we are going to be doing in the future. So, first things first, grades. I want to let you all know what's going on with grades because grades have been finished as of this moment here at about 3 o'clock on Tuesday. And there are some students who are going to see grades on Power Schools that they are not happy with, and I want to explain a little bit about what's gone on. So in the third quarter so far, we've had 5 grades that count. One is a third quarter benchmark, and it is in the grade book, but it did not count towards average. It's more diagnostic, but take a look at it, because if you see a super low score, that's maybe a bit of a red flag. So we've had the 5 grades. At this point, everything that has been turned into me has been graded, and most of it has been handed back. There is 2 classes that still need to have their Mansa Musa packets and their Geography of India returned to them, which I'll do tomorrow. But if you see a 60 in the grade book for Mansa Musa's packet or for the Geography of India, that means the student has not turned that in. They are available on the website. I'm still welcoming them in. Students should know that. Anything that has not been turned in, I would gladly take from them. But at this point, I'm not going to chase students around begging them for the work. So they need to kind of think about that. So if you have any questions about anything that you might have grade-wise, please let me know, send me an email, and I'll happily answer your question individually. But other than that, grades are now kind of set for right now. It's been a while that I've been kind of working on grades, so we're there. Yes. Now, what have we been doing in social studies? We have moved from Africa into India. So we started with some geography, and we started to talk about the geography of India, where India is, and what makes the geography of India kind of specialized, which when get us thinking about and talking about the Himalayas, the Indus River, the Ganges River, some of the mountains in between there, and of course the monsoons, which is an interesting piece to the Indian geography. So we've worked on that a little bit. We're watching a video clip from a BBC documentary, not the whole thing, but clips of the thing, right now, which is giving us some of the kind of vast history of India. It talks about early migrations to India. It talks about Sanskrit and these very ancient dialects, the Vedas, and some of the kind of cultural things. It's nice because it's a video and you get to kind of see and hear a lot of this Indian culture, which is very interesting and foreign to a lot of our students. So we're continuing to work with that the rest of this week. We'll be moving into the caste system a little bit. Hinduism leads us into Buddhism a little bit towards the end of this week, and then probably by mid to late week next week, which means we're going to be into the week of like the 14th or 15th-ish is when we will think about a South Asia or Ancient India test. So if you have any questions or concerns or grade types of problems, you let me know, send me an email, and I will happily get back to you. If not, have a lovely, although kind of hot here in this school, day.